Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to play fairy chess in chess.com. If you want to play fairy chess or have fairy chess pieces on your game, it's actually quite simple. All you need to do is, of course, you need to be signed in. And once you are in your homepage, I want you to hover your mouse on the play option here. And this small pop-up will appear. And I want you to click on variants, right? So click on variants like so. And once you are here under variants, you want to look towards the 4-player and variants option here and type in paradigm. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So type in paradigm. There you go. Press enter. This is going to be the first option, right? And as you can see here, you can actually play now because it is going to be automatically made into fairy chess pieces. As you can see, they have changed it. But if you want to actually edit it more, you can click on edit position like so. And you can just change whatever. You can remove this and just add a new piece here. You can add the duck there to be the pawn and so on and so forth. And then just save. After that, you will be good to go in playing fairy chess on chess.com. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.